birthday problem. You and your colleagues know that your boss A's birthday is one of the following 10 dates, and A told you, your boss, only the month of his birthday, and told your colleague C only the day. After that, you first said, I don't know A's birthday, C doesn't know it either. After hearing what you said, C replied, I don't know A's birthday, but now I know it. You smiled and said, now I know it too. So after looking at the 10 dates and hearing your comments, your administrative assistant wrote down A's birthday without asking any questions. So what did the assistant write? So the conversation happened in the order that it did. And after exactly those conversations, we should have been able to narrow down the day to a specific month. So the search space gets broken down in the sequence that the conversation happened. So let's shrink the search space with every comment in succession. The first comment mentioned was from you. You said that I don't know A's birthday. C doesn't know it either. Well, you were told a month, right? C was told the day. Now, you were the one who said this phrase. So therefore, you know that both of these statements have to be true. You know it. And how does that play in? Well, let's see. I don't know A's birthday, and you only know the month. Well, there's multiple dates per month. So this statement alone does not, shrink the search space by any means. What about the second statement? C doesn't know it either. C is given the day, so that means the day that C was given had to have not been unique. Because if the day that C was given were unique, like 10, then he knows immediately that it has to fall on 10, and there's only one date that falls on 10, so it has to have been that date. Well, what numbers do we have that are duplicates? We have 4, 4, 1, 1, 5, 5, and 8, 8. So C could have been told one of those numbers, 1, 4, 5, 8, which would result in C not being able to deduce the actual birthday of A. Hence, it could not have been the case that C was told 7 or 2, which are standalone numbers. Therefore, the birthday cannot be June 7th. It cannot be December 2nd. Now, I don't know A's birthday. Well, how does that play in? Well, you were the one who said both phrases. So you are 100% certain that C doesn't know it and that you don't know it. So how does that play in? Well, if you knew the month, then let's say that the month was a month where C could have potentially known the solution. Then you could not have been 100% sure that C does not know it. So let's say you were told that the month was June. If you were told the months were June, then you cannot be 100% certain that C doesn't know the birthday, because there's a chance that C was told 7. C could not have been told 7 or 2, right? C could not have been told any of these two numbers. So therefore, if you know C doesn't know it and you don't know it, then both statements have to be 100% true. So it cannot possibly be a month that includes the two dates that C could not have been told, right? Otherwise, you would not be 100% sure. So it cannot be June and it cannot be December. And from there, we can continue. After hearing what you said, C replied, I don't know A's birthday, but now I know it. So what that means is that the day has to be unique from the remaining search space after that first comment. Well, 5 is the duplicate day. So if C knows it, it cannot have been one of those days. So cross out September 5, cross out March 5. We're left with September 1st, March 4th, and March 8th. You smiled and said, now I know it too. If you know it, then there can only be one day for that 1 month. If you were told that the month was March in this remaining search space, then it could be March 4th or March 8th. You still don't know the birthday. So it could not have possibly been March 4th. It could not have been March 8th. What remains is September 1st, which is your answer.